In this tutorial, we are going to create an app that generates random answers, kind of like a magic 8-ball. First, drag and drop a button component into the phone. Next, drag and drop a label component into the phone. That's all we need right now. So let's go to the block section. Open the drawer for button 1. Drag and drop the When Button 1 Click block into the block's editor. Now open the drawer for label 1. Drag and drop a From Label 1 Set Text To block into the When Button 1 Click block. Next, open the list drawer. Drag and drop a Random Item of List block into the opening of the From Label 1 Set Text To block. This block will randomly select text from one of the 2 text blocks. Add your own text into the first 2 blocks. If you would like more than 2 randomly generated options, click the star on the list block. This will allow you to drop more items into the list. You will need to add a new blank text block for each extra item that you create. Congratulations! You just built your 3rd app. Open up your Thunkable Live app and click Live Test on your computer to start using this Random Answers app.